yourself a break. It happens. Get up and